Hi everybody, what we're going to show you here, it is how to attach a leg to a Maxtrix headboard. And how do we do that? We do that with a rock lock. And what we're going to show you now is actually how to attach it the right way, so you have a safe, sound bed that you can keep your kids in a safe environment. So it comes like this, already assembled, and the first thing you do, you have a housing with a thread and a housing with a little pilot screw. The pilot screw you just have to remove, that's the first thing you do. And you get your tool with it like I'm using now. And when you take the pilot screw out, do me a favor, don't throw it away. You can see it has a little peak on it, and I'll get to that, what's actually used for. Then you have your housing which you take out, and you have your metal pen. One thing with a metal pen you have to keep in mind, you can see it has a little bit of a cutout. This cutout, it's something that has to be shown at any given time. If you turn it the other way around, it's very hard to actually make the bed safe. So the first thing you do, you take your housing, make sure the thread is up, and you can see there's a little slit. That little slit is, if you get in the wrong way, you can just put a screwdriver in and turn it. So the housing, you put into the leg as shown, just drop it down. When you put your pen in, you keep on putting it in until you see the little cutout like I mentioned before. If you don't, you'll just see pure metal. That's what you don't want to see. You want to see the cutout, and you can see there's a hole going through it. When you have that lined up, take your little tool with your pilot screw attached, put it into there, and you literally just screw it in. Don't be afraid of tightening it too hard. You can't really tighten it too hard. Just make sure it's actually very, very nice and tight. When it's tight, you can see now I cannot retract the bolt from the leg, and that's the situation you want to be in right now. Remove the cross dowel from the threaded bolt. The cross dowel has a thread all the way to it, so it doesn't matter which way you actually show upwards. Just make sure that the bolt with the cutout, it actually shows upwards, because it means if you don't get it in straight, you can always line it up with a screwdriver when it's inside. Just pop it in with your pinky, screwdriver if you want to instead of. When it's in, you just take the bolt, pop it in, and you just keep on rolling it. The reason why it's nice to do it this way is actually you have both hands you can actually use to just screw the leg onto it. When you screw it on, make sure it's tight. Don't think when you have it like this, oh this is nice, it lines up. You can see how wobbly the legs is, that means your bed will be wobbly. So you have to make sure that the two bolts line up, but also make sure it's extremely tight. So when you tighten it, and certainly you cannot tighten it anymore, then the cool thing is with the rock lock, you can actually loosen it a little bit. Just use your little tool, you loosen it. Don't do it too much, just do like half a round, and then you just tighten it. And when the bolts now line up like they do now, you just take your tool again, and you just tighten it as strong as you can. And don't be afraid of it, it's metal against metal. It pulls the two pieces together. It's now inside. Now these two pieces are actually stronger than one piece of wood. And it's solid, it's rock solid. So if you do this in the right way, you'll have an extremely safe bed where you can take legs on and off as the kids are growing and add different legs on all the time.